Hi Bold Bakers. I've been very fortunate over my 20+ year career as a pastry chef to have worked all around the world with some amazing chefs. Most recently, I've hosted my own online show, Bigger Bolder Baking, which has been viewed over 500 million times. And I'm very proud to say we have a community strong of 8 million people. I've also been featured on networks like Food Network, Hulu, and Netflix. I'm very proud of what we've achieved so far, but I am even more excited for this next chapter and to announce to you the launch of my online baking school, the Bold Baking Academy. Ever since I was a young girl growing up in Ireland, all I wanted to do was be a chef, so the best choice for me was to go to culinary school. Now, with 20+ years experience under my belt, I want to share everything I've learned with you in the Bold Baking Academy. There's a lot of recipes and information out there today. You don't always know who to trust. You commit time and money and you don't always get the results that you want. Well, I am here with a solution. The Bold Baking Academy is where you will find curated learning paths no matter your experience level. Tried and tested recipes by me and my team of experts. Also easy to follow recipes broken down into step-by-step instructions. I have done all the troubleshooting so you can be the best baker you can possibly be. You will also receive exclusive recipes, newsletters, learn new tips and tricks, and have access to live online events. So now this is not repeated content. This is exclusive for you at the Bold Baking Academy. You won't find it anywhere else. But wait, there's more. With your monthly subscription, you will also get access to our baking concierge, which includes me and my team of bold baking experts online, ready to answer any of your baking queries and questions. Another really exciting part of the Academy is that you'll also be part of a global baking community. This is where there will be forums, you can post pictures, ask questions, make friends, and meet other bold bakers just like yourself. So just to recap, you get exclusive courses, access to our baking concierge and bold baking community online. I am so excited to start this baking journey with you. It's been a long time coming, so let's get baking.